Good afternoon everybody, Austin here. So I've been working in Taunton today in Somerset. Did a bit of googling this morning and searching on the internet just off the cuff, and I typed in window cleaning supplies Taunton, Somerset. One of the first search results to come through was for this company called Blade Right. Focus, you fuck. Blade Right Cleaning Supplies. It's a small industrial unit, but when you walk in the door you're greeted by a really lovely chap, works in the office a lot and very hands-on engineer, very lovely bloke, very hospitable, very polite, full of knowledge, and you walk in the door of this place and you're greeted with such warmth, which is nice. This isn't an internet sale. I haven't clicked and added to basket. I've gone in the door, I've met someone face to face, I've had a lovely conversation, a bit of banter. I purchased a new Unger 28 litre bucket and lid, a Ergotech handle and a 6-inch squeegee channel and rubber. I also purchased a 10cm Unger scraper and a box of blades. And I could walk away saying I had a fantastic deal. I mean, discount, can't fault the service. And in this little place upstairs they've actually got a shop floor on a mezzanine. They've got Unger stuff all over the walls, belts, buckets, buckets on belts, squeegees, rubbers, blades, Sureflow pumps, their own brand of water-fed poles. They can order absolutely anything you want and pretty much next day delivery. So really, I am chuffed to bits. I'm so glad I found this place. Something which is local to me. It's only 50 miles away, an hour, 2 hours there and back down the motorway. But by God, I have stumbled across a gold mine. Window cleaning heaven. Thank you very much, Blade Right. I will be back.